KingCamp Hammock Chair. This is a outdoor style chair that can support up to 300 pounds. The chair itself is lightweight, only weighing around 10 pounds, which makes it easy for toting down to the beach or to the park and only takes a few seconds to set up. It has a cup holder on it, as well as a headrest, and is super sturdy with an aluminum alloy base. It has a foot cover, so it can be used in cement, grass, really anywhere, and allow you stability. It has adjustable straps, which allows you to adjust the level of recline that you're looking for, and a breathable mesh fabric, which makes it super comfy, 3D padding on it, and overall a very stable structure. Really enjoy this for outdoor, backyard fun, to the beach, and just super easy to use, even coming with a storage bag for keeping it neat and tidy, whether it's stored in your garage or the back of your vehicle. Folds up in seconds. Highly recommend it. Check it out.